Well, hello everybody. I thought I'd do a bit of a tech update, just a technical thing, because I'm working on something that you would never see. It's kind of behind the scenes. Just updating the firmware for this memory chip. And if I turn my camera, who was here helping. So I have to do some maths planning. So if I have a game and its ID number is, let's say, number 7, and it's in the third position in the table of contents, it needs to have an address, a memory address on a chip. So the game ID will be written in bytes 6 and 7, and its data address will be there. 15,512 will be the beginning. And then if it was in slot 4, it will be there. If it was game ID number 300, it would have different values. This is really boring, really kind of tech stuff, and it all needs to be now written into the firmware so that it actually understands what it's doing. So why am I telling you that? I am reminded of a video of Steve Jobs where he talks about the first laser printer. He talked about all the tech that was in it. There was tech from Canon, and there was mechanical technology, and there was this, like, incredible stuff. It was all brand new because printers back then were the listing paper, with the perforated holes down the side. So the fact that you could just get it out and show people this piece of paper with beautiful text, people thought it was amazing. Nobody realized all the technology that was inside. I have to put some technology inside that requires a lot of maths. And I can't test it very easily because this memory chip is using the old diagnostic data lines. So I've taken those data lines out, so I can't test it very easily. So I've got to go very slow, very methodically, and I've got to test all of the maths first to make sure I've got it right on a spreadsheet. And then from that spreadsheet, I can translate that to my code for creating the development environment. Then I can use the development environment to write the game code. Then I can get the unit to read the game code and to translate it, and then hopefully it all does the same thing. If something goes wrong, I then got to figure out where there's a problem. Is it a problem in the maths? Is it a problem with the way I've created the development environment? Is it a problem with the game code, or is it the problem with the way the code is being read from the cartridge? We call this development hell, and I know I'm in for some real development hell. You won't notice it. You'll just notice that the device saves the game.